The Galaxy Note series has been known as the flagship class phablet, which always brings capabilities that are not much different from the Galaxy S, which usually first appears. Thus, Galaxy Note always offers the best quality in all sectors owned. Like the physical changes from the Galaxy S8 to S9, you will see the difference in the physical dimension of Note 9 when compared to its predecessor, Note 8. But the very minimal physical dimension difference will only be realized directly if both are arranged side by side. Like the S9, Samsung also repositioned the fingerprint scanner on Note 9 to a relatively more comfortable and natural place. Previously, this sensor was lined up with two main camera lenses, LED flash and heart rate sensors. Now the fingerprint scanner is under the line. Makes it easier to reach considering the size of the cell phone body is big. The rest, a number of ports, buttons, to the speaker and microphone, are in the same place as when we met on Note 8. The decision to maintain the Note 8 design broadly certainly invites pros and cons. Haters will say that Samsung has run out of ideas in terms of design innovation, otherwise the fans of this Korean manufacturer will argue that this is proof that Samsung has a strong identity and principle, so that there is no need to carry the flow of market trends, such as bangs or back cover with gradation colors. For this reason we are inclined to the second opinion, without denying that even design innovations are no less important than a number of technologies embedded in a product. Note 9 that we tested was ocean blue, with a bright yellow S Pen. Besides this color variant, Note 9 also comes in two other color choices, namely metallic copper and midnight black. Regarding the screen, this section is larger than its predecessor. It's just that the difference is only 0.1 inches. Certainly does not give a significant impact, especially the maximum resolution offered is still the same as before, namely WQHD+, 1440x2960 pixels. This of course automatically makes the pixel density of this phone more tenuous than its predecessor. But in plain view it does not feel a decrease in the quality of sharpness in the screen display. In general, the Note 9 screen still shows the appropriate quality of what is expected to be in a flagship product. While the brightness, contrast and saturation can be adjusted to the user's taste through the screen mode setting that provides a selection of adaptive displays, AMOLED Cinema, AMOLED Photo and Basic. The adaptive display option will automatically make the screen optimize the range of colors, saturation and sharpness of the image according to the graphic character that is displayed on the screen. Users who switch from previous Samsung Galaxy S series or Note generations to this cell phone will certainly not feel unfamiliar with the presentation presented on the Samsung Experience Interface version 9.5, which binds Note 9's Android Oreo 8.1. Home screen is presented simply with several default application icons, which of course can be added with the user's favorite applications. Bixby Home is available on the far left panel on the home screen. This area displays a number of information that is considered important to the user. All information presented based on the user's choice in the machine learning process by a smart virtual assistant, Bixby. Like the ranks of Samsung's flagship class that is filled with Galaxy S and Note series products for the next 3 generations, the Edge panel feature is available on Note 9. By default, this feature can be accessed by sweeping from the right side of the screen to the center. Edge panel provides several function options including Edge apps, displays a number of favorite application shortcuts, People Edge displays important contact information, Reminder, contains schedules stored on the calendar, Weather, Quick Tools brings a number of functions, such as Compass, Florida, Schlight, rulers and others, as well as some other functions of Edge panels. One of the most noticeable innovations on the latest generation of Galaxy Note is the additional function that Samsung pinned on the S Pen. Previously, the S Pen already had a number of functions that made it far from just an ordinary stylus. On this latest generation S Pen, Samsung utilizes Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE) technology to make remote connections with Note 9. Thus the user can use the S Pen to control the Note 9 remotely, up to 10 meters. Control functions that can be used include, as a remote shutter to take photos, remote to pause videos played on YouTube, replace slides when making presentations and so on. Users can even make settings so that the buttons on the S Pen can be used as shortcuts to directly open certain applications. By default, by holding down the button on the S Pen, Note 9 will make it. Besides Translate, Air Command gives a number of options by default, including Notes, Smart Select, Screen Write, and Pen Up. Users can even add features or application shortcuts to Air Command. One of the most interesting features that we often use during the testing period is Live Message that allows users to create messages with the GIF format, which contains handwriting, pictures and photos with unlimited creativity. Unlike its predecessor, the S Pen on Note 9 needs power for its Bluetooth functions, so it must be charged. But no need to be skeptical first, because to charge the S Pen, users just need to enter the slot that is available for 40 seconds to get power to be used for 30 minutes. The S Pen battery indicator can be seen through settings greater than advanced features greater than S Pen greater than S Pen remote. Note 9 is equipped